Hi, this is the Dinuba Library Services Library Office. This is where my office is and where our district library technician's office is. We're located on the Washington Intermediate campus. You want to come inside and take a tour? The Library Resource Center office houses the district teacher librarian and the district library technician. Many essential library functions occur in the office. While it looks chaotic, the area is highly organized to optimize use. For example, we house the district's items for Makerspace checkout, including Breakout EDU kits, Dash and Dot robots, Spheros, Bebots, and even offer story kits for primary teachers. Additionally, you'll notice my personal collection of craft and maker items that are used with the junior high students. All library books are cataloged in our office. The district library technician receives and processes book purchases. The standardized procedure for cataloging helps to reduce mistakes and ensure consistency in labeling for school sites. Books are housed in the office shelves until they are ready to be delivered to sites. The district library office also houses all of the elementary literature circle titles and novel sets for grades 3 through 6. The district LRC, or Library Resource Center, is also home to some textbooks and consumables. What you see is a small portion of what is available. Many other items are stored in the district warehouse due to space constraints. We are lucky to have a library neighbor. Located adjacent to our office is the Washington Intermediate School Library. The site library technicians are working diligently to weed and genreify the junior high collection. Can you tell which areas have been completed? The end of the tour brings us back to the district library office. You are welcome anytime to stop by the library office for a visit if you need help or have questions. This concludes the district library office tour. Feel free to contact me at the number or email above if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching.